Hey there! Looking to stay healthy and fit without drastic changes to your routine? I've got you covered with quick tips for fitness and diet that are simple, effective, and totally doable. Let's dive in. First up, if you want to tone your lower body, start with these easy exercises: squats, lunges, and glute bridges. Do 3 sets of 10 reps daily, and you'll feel the difference in no time. And remember, even a 20-minute brisk walk can work wonders for burning calories and boosting your energy. Now, let's talk diet. Love your chai? Try cutting back on sugar little by little or switching to green tea a few times a week. It's a small change that makes a big impact. For snacks, skip the fried stuff and go for roasted nuts, macana, or a fresh fruit salad. They're filling, nutritious, and won't leave you feeling guilty. And yes, you can still enjoy your favorite meals like biryani. Just keep your portions in check and pair it with some veggies. Balance is key. Staying healthy doesn't have to be hard. Small, consistent steps can make a huge difference. Start today and let me know how you're doing in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more quick and easy tips. See you next time.